Hi there, this is Mahsa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to clarify for you the difference between much, many, and a lot of. We use many for countable nouns. Those are things we can count, like there were many cars, there were many options, and there were many people. On the other hand, we use much with uncountable nouns. Watch out, because we mainly use it in negative sentence, like I don't have much money, I don't have much time, and I don't have much interest. Finally, we use a lot of with both countable and uncountable nouns, and that's great. Because when we want to express the idea of much in positive sentence, then you can use a lot of. For example, I have a lot of time, I have a lot of interest, and I have a lot of options. Many, much, and a lot of. Practice this, enjoy, and share it. Bye for now.